This is the Cives Model 155 Drum Crusher Packer. Used machine at Recycling Equipment Corp. Has a 5 horsepower, 3-phase, 460 230 volt motor. Very straight, clean condition. And ready for operation. A quick demonstration on the machine. Door will open up, a drum is inserted inside the chamber. Typically the door would be then closed to operate the machine. For demonstration purposes, I'm going to hold the safety switch depressed while I operate the machine. Pull the start button out.